So for breakfast today, I'm going to be doing the bonito flakes. I know in some countries they actually have bonito flakes in like salads and stuff. These are our Belly Rubs bonito flakes, and they are salmon. And so for light breakfast, a lot of protein today, bonito flakes it is. Now, eating all this dog food and cat food, I have noticed one thing. I have to drink a lot of water, or of course, I haven't gave up my coffees. So for today, I'm having a latte and bonito flakes for breakfast. See you at lunchtime.